Hello, my friends. Hello to the world. As everybody knows, Hurricane Irma has formed out in the Atlantic. And after the devastation of Harvey, I think everybody's got their eyes on this bad girl. Predicted to be a Cat 5. The pressure's already dropped so low, and it's not even close to the goal, close to land yet. It's going to become a monster. But while watching the Weather Wars 101 video, I caught something. It was hit with a directed energy weapon. Here he gives an enlarged view as it comes off the coast, where the sand particles, as any weather person would tell you, comes off the coast and forms into a hurricane. Well, they don't tell you about this part. It's coming up here in just a moment. As you can see, it's just a bunch of clouds that just come off onto the Gulf. I keep calling it Gulf. And it forms. There you see one wave. It shoots off to help. But the other one was right here. Did you catch it? Let's back this puppy up a bit. And watch this. Did you see it? Starts right up here and hits the top of the forming hurricane. Puts the spin on it, and watch, after a little bit of time, she ramps up and starts spinning. By magic. Let's take another look at that. And here it comes. There it is, right here. Right there. Hits the top, makes her start spinning. We'll go frame by frame this time. You see something happening right up here at about the 2 o'clock position. There. Boom. It hits it hard. Now that at that speed, that is an incredible speed. There is no way to determine off of this footage what the speed of that was. But it is moving so much faster than anything else there. Comes off as a bow, and it looks like it was shot out of a gun right there. Boom. Right at it. Here we've slowed down the speed of it. Now it may not seem like much, but I guarantee you that that is at that slowest speed, you don't realize how hard whatever that was, how much energy and force was put into that. And it was enough, exactly what they wanted, to get it spinning. Because just almost, I mean, within moments in this footage, it starts just spinning violently. So there you have it. A directed energy weapon used on Hurricane Irma. So, as this approaches Florida, it's predicted to become a Cat 5, and after seeing the devastation from Harvey, I could only say let's pray for anybody that's in its path. And I recommend you check out Weather War 101. They have a lot of info about geoengineering. Till later, Stormy out.